What's up mga idol? I'm here to share my another discover. A white mountain frog. You see that? Amazing. It's a white. See this? Wow. A white frog. Wow guys, this is the first time. I'm 47 years old. This is the first time to see a white frog. Wow, amazing this one. See that? Yoo! See guys, nakawalan din natin siya guys kasi nga may buhay din siya. Guys, no? Yeah, before that, please subscribe, click the notification bell to follow my Facebook and TikTok. It's amazing. Discover white frog. See that? Wow! Amazing. In a mountain, white frog. Tell you guys about the story of my grandpa. Pag bibihira ang ganito kasi uri ng palaka. So guys, no? Actually guys, sa mga malalaking gubat na siya nakikita itong frog nito. Dito guys, ano tayo ngayon dito guys is mayroon kasing cobra dito. So hindi pa natin siya nahuli. Yung isa guys is nakawala. Makit na doon sa bundok. May butas pala yung net natin. So kalusot siya. Ito ngayon ang ating na-discover. Wow, amazing! White frog. Nakatira siya guys sa dito siya guys sa gabi. So guys, no? It's amazing. A first time to see like kind of this frog. A white. See that? White frog. Wow. It's amazing. See that? A white frog. See this one? O ikaw ay nandyan, please subscribe, click the notification bell, so follow my Facebook and TikTok. So guys, no, hawakan natin siya guys, kasi guys, sobrang ilap niya. So guys, no, ayan so guys, no, ayan so guys, no, discover natin ngayon guys na kakaibang klaseng uri ng hayop. So guys, no, a white frog. You see this? Wow, amazing. Ini guys, bibihira ang ganitong klaseng uri ng palaka. Bibihira ka makakita ng ganitong klaseng uri ng palaka. So guys, no, mabuting alert to tayo guys, kasi guys, hindi pa natin, wow, ang dami guys na mga lizards doon sa corner na trap natin siya. Wow, ang dami nila. Yes guys, no? Anyway guys, it's the first time to see kind of this frog, a white frog. Amazing. See this one? My friend, see that? I have my friend here. Let's see that? I see hi, my friend, a white frog. You see? Say hi. Go. See, first time guys to see kind of this frog. So guys, no? Wow, it's amazing. First time see like ganitong klaseng uri ng palaka. So guys, no? Kakaiba siya. Puti na klaseng uri ng palaka. Ayan, so guys, no? See that? A white. See that? A white frog. See that? Wow, it's amazing. White frog. See that? Guys, ganitong klaseng uri ng palaka guys. Kailan sa malamig siya nakakatira talaga. Ayan, so guys, no? Napakawalan din natin siya pagkatapos nito. Ito guys, share ko sa inyo nakakaibang klaseng uri ng palaka, a white frog. See this? See? Sa mga kids, wag po natin saktan ang ganitong klaseng uri ng palaka. Sige, kasi may buhay din sila. Thank you so much frog. See that? Magpakarami ka at pakawalan na kita. Yes guys, no? Ito yung ating discover ngayon, a white frog. See that? Wow, it's amazing. White frog. See that? Okay guys, nainitan na siya guys, kaya kunting namumula na siya ngayon. So guys, no, may gusto na niyang kumawala pa. So ayun, sige, pakawalan din natin di siya. Wow, amazing kind of this frog. A white frog. Wow. See? Pakawalan natin siya guys para makahanap siya ng kanyang pagtatagpuan. So guys, natin siya. Hanapan siya natin siya ng kanyang pagtatagpuan. See that? So guys, no, it's amazing kind of this frog. A white frog. Wow, amazing discover this one. Oh, wow. Sobrang ilap niya guys. See guys, no? Oh, see guys, no? A white mountain frog. See that? See that? Bye bye frog. Bye bye frog. See that? Bye bye frog. See that? Sige no. Ando na sa guys at malaya na pakawalan na natin siya. Thank you so much. And sige no sa mga sharing natin na kakaibang klaseng uri ng hayop. Sige no. And sige no yung ating mga sharing ngayon na wag natin silang kumaga saktan. Sige no. Itong klaseng uri ng hayop ay sige no. Sige guys. At marami pang kailangan guys mangiligma tayo kasi guys hindi pa natin nahuli yung ating target na sura. Sige no. Thank you so much. Naway mag-comment naman at wag po natin saktan ang klaseng uri ng hayop. Thank you so much. At sa aking pagbabalik